7 Best DeWALT Impact Drivers. In this video, we are going to explain here the best DeWALT Impact Drivers reviews. Product link provides on the description box. Number 1. DeWALT Atomic 20V Max Impact Driver. Power source, battery powered. 4.6 rating out of 5. Product specification: 3 bright LEDs for dimly lit workspaces. Brushless motor for efficient performance. 1700 Nm of torque delivering major power. Variable speed trigger allows control and precision. 5.1 inches impact driver designed to fit in tight spaces. Number 2. DeWALT 20V Max Impact Driver Kit. Power source, battery powered. 4.8 rating out of 5. Product specification: comes with 3 LED light ring, one-handed loading 1/4 hex chuck. Provide visibility without shadows. 3 LED with 20-second delay after trigger release. Compact and lightweight design fits into tight areas. Number 3. DeWALT Atomic 20V Max Cordless Impact Driver. Power source, battery powered. 4.8 rating out of 5. Product specification: delivers 1700 Nm of torque. High performance brushless motor. Includes 2 20V Max Li-ion batteries. 3 LEDs to provide optimum illumination. Ergonomically designed handle increased comfort. Number 4. DeWALT 20V Max XR Impact Driver. Power source, battery powered. 4.8 rating out of 5. Product specification: driver has 3 speed settings. Compact and lightweight design. Deliver more runtime and capacity. Brushless motor and XR Li-ion batteries. Cordless optimized application versatility. Number 5. DeWALT Stream 12V Max Impact Driver Kit. Power source, battery powered. 4.8 rating out of 5. Product specification: lightweight and compact design. Has 52% more torque than other. Quick release drop and load hex. Cordless impact driver 19% shorter. Made for maximum runtime and durability. Number 6. DeWALT 20V Max XR Brushless Tool Connect Impact Driver. Power source, battery powered. 4.7 rating out of 5. Product specification: manage your tools anywhere. Signal out of range alerts. Customize impact driver from apps. Instantly see who is last assigned. Track tools across multiple job sites. Number 7. DeWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Impact Driver Kit. Power source, battery powered. 4.8 rating out of 5. Product specification: variable speed trigger. Comes with 3 bright LED. Max torque of 1825 Nm. Compact and lightweight design. Built in 3 speed settings. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe, click the bell icon and share.